This is a test. This is a test of the Ladrillos County Power Plant Warning System. This is only a test. A possible warning is in effect. Tune AM radio to 1620. A weather hazard has been detected. Take shelter immediately. A fire hazard has been detected. Take shelter immediately. A flood hazard is in effect. Take shelter immediately. A nuclear warning is in effect. Tune to local radio for more information. This concludes the test of the power plant warning system. This is only a test.